Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to rig human character spine. So let's get started. Take a polygon cube on scale X type 2.7, scale Y type 12 and scale Z type 5.667. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, select multiple edge loop, type here 4 and insert edge loop just like this. Again, number of edge loop, select 6 and click just like this. Again, select number of edge loop 1, click one here and also another here. Go to vertex selection mode, go to top view, vertex selection mode, select this vertex and scale them just like this to make it look like a cylinder, as human body is look like cylindrical shape. Select these 3 vertex, these 3, scale just like this. Now again go to top view, vertex selection mode, select these vertices, drag select, this will select the vertices from 2 sides and scale them along y-axis. Go to object mode, go to side view, face selection mode, select this face, edit mesh, click extract, do the same for the other face as shown. Go to object mode, check. Now select all your face, press Shift plus P to unparent them. Select the unnecessary group and delete. Select this one, rename this one as hip geo. And this one spine 010, rename as shown. And the final one is shoulder geo. Go to perspective view, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, face selection mode, select this face, right click, assign new material, select blend, change the blend color to red to identify it as a front. Object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Select all, move this one up, type here translate 6.2, press F to focus or zoom in. Go to front view, change modeling menu to rigging menu, go to skeleton, create joint, create one joint here, one here, one here, one here and the final one here. Now rename the joint, press enter and rename the joint. This one hip, spine 01, spine 02, spine 03, spine 04, spine 05 and the last one is shoulder. joint. Select all the joint, go to select, click hierarchy, go to display, transform display, click local rotation axis, go to perspective view, turn on X-ray joint mode, go to skeleton, orient joint, select primary axis X, secondary axis Y, secondary axis world orientation, select G, click apply. Now select the shoulder joint, click orient joint to world and click apply. This will orient all your joint correctly. Now again select the joint chain, go to select, click hierarchy, display, transform display, local rotational axis. This will hide all your local rotation axis. Now press Ctrl+ D to duplicate the joint chain. Select all, press Shift+P to unparent them, delete all the other joint except the hip and shoulder joint and rename this one as hip bind. And this one as shoulder bind. Now again duplicate the joint chain, press Ctrl+ D to duplicate. Again select all the joint, press Shift+P to unparent them and delete joint one after another. This is hip joint and this one is spine joint. So delete spine joint, delete spine 3, spine 5. Keep these 4 joint and parent them with each other. Just like this. Now hide the joint chain. Now go to skeleton, create IK spline handle option, edit, reset the tool, close the window, click one point and at your first joint chain of hip joint, press Ctrl and click another on the shoulder joint. This will create a IK handle and rename the IK handle as first IK handle and this one as also first curve. Now select the shoulder bind joint and also hip bind joint. Shift select the curve, first curve, which you created during creating IK spline handle. Go to skin, bind skin, open bind skin option, edit, reset the setting, bind to selected joint, click decrease the maximum influence to 3, click bind skin. Now select the shoulder bind joint, try to move and see the effect. See, now select the hip geo, shift select the hip bind joint, press P to parent them. Do the same with the shoulder joint, shoulder geo, shoulder bind, press P. Now parent the spine geo to the corresponding spine joint. Spine geo 1 to spine 1, spine geo 5 to spine 5, and the rest one is to the shoulder joint. Now again select the shoulder bind joint, rotate tool, try to rotate along Z axis and see it is rotating, but try to rotate along X axis, it is not rotating or twisting. So we have to solve the IK handle solver. Double click and copy the hip bind joint name. Select the first IK handle, go to attribute editor, IK solver attribute, go to advanced option, advanced twist control. Click enable twist control and world up type, select object rotation up, start and end, and world up object type here hip joint. Again double click the hip bind shoulder, name and copy and paste it to word up object 2. Now positive x, forward axis positive x, up axis change it to negative y, and type here -1, here also -1, here also -1, and also here -1. Now see, the orientation is correct. Now this time select the shoulder bind joint, try to twist and see. This time it is twisting correctly. This is the end of the part 1 of creating rigging for human spine. I will see you on my next lesson. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.